Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your Adidas account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your app store. And now all you need to do is on the search bar, search for Adidas right over here. Notice how Nike shows up first? Well, let's just go into this application, click on the download icon and install it onto your device. Simply go ahead and click on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page. On the top right, there's going to be your profile icon or a person icon. Simply go ahead and click on that and now click on login. All you need to do is click on continue. You're going to be taken to this page right over here and it's going to ask you for your email address and your password. So simply go ahead and enter your email, click on continue, enter your password, and you'll be logged in into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.